Protecting an organization against ever-evolving security threats requires a real-time understanding of an organization's constantly changing global attack surface. Microsoft Defender External Attack Surface Management, also known as MDEASM, discovers and maps an organization's internet-exposed presence, identifying and prioritizing weaknesses in both managed and unmanaged resources across multi-cloud environments. In addition to a web-based portal, MDEASM is also integrated with Microsoft Copilot for Security, a generative AI-powered solution enabling security professionals to leverage its insights across incident response, threat hunting, and intelligence gathering. Let's see how Copilot and MDEASM can work together to help the SOC team at Woodgrove Bank. By asking Copilot for a summary of our attack surface, it will intelligently identify MDEASM as the source of truth before preparing a response. Next, let's use Copilot to find more specific information about an asset, like the number of expired domains. These can present a risk to Woodgrove if acquired by a malicious third party. For domains of interest, we can drill down further and get whois records, allowing us to identify the owners and determine appropriate action. Copilot can also help us to identify expired SSL certificates. These assets may represent shadow IT or assets that have been abandoned and are not under management. Copilot can then help us learn about the security vulnerabilities associated with these discovered assets in order to help us prioritize our remediation efforts. In this example, we inquire about the vulnerabilities against a hostname related to one of the expired SSL certificates. Copilot returns a list of CVEs that are impacting that asset, suggesting further investigation is required. For each, Copilot presents a link to the National Institute of Standards and Technology website for more information. In addition to hostnames, Copilot can help us understand other asset types as well, including IP addresses, domains, and much more. Copilot then uses MDEASM to fetch the CVSS scores for a particular CVE, helping us better understand the severity of the vulnerability. After establishing which assets have high severity scores and therefore should be prioritized and remediated, we can ask Copilot to provide recommended mitigation steps. Finally, let's use Copilot to create a report summarizing the risks we've identified in our organization's external attack surface. This provides our SOC team with all the necessary detailed information required to proactively address these risks. With Copilot and MDEASM, we were able to use natural language to assess, investigate, and plan to remediate our organization's external attack surface, all within just a few minutes. Copilot empowers teams to protect at the speed and scale of AI by turning global threat intelligence, industry best practices, and organizations' security data into tailored insights to outsmart and outpace adversaries. To learn more, please visit aka.ms/copilot for security.